everyone, and welcome to Blind Beauty. I'm Jennifer. What we're going to do today is I'm going to share with you my personal tips for how I feel more confident whenever I'm doing something, whether it's giving a speech, whether it's coming on here, whether it's going to a meeting, either virtual or, in person, whether it's simply meeting someone new. Or even if it's one, I'll even throw some in that if I wanted to catch someone's eye, like I'm wanting to catch a guy's eye, you know, I'll throw those in as well. So let's start with tip number 1. The first tip is to dress to impress. Now that doesn't mean go glam, go big, wear something flashy whenever it's something casual. But wear something that makes you feel comfortable. Even if it's your favorite underwear, your favorite bra and panties that make you feel confident, whether it's sexy, whether it's I got this in the bag, whether it's whatever the case may be. Or it could be a t-shirt or a jacket, but wear something clothing-wise that makes you feel comfortable. And that alone, before you get into the makeup, can help a great deal. Now the look I have on today, for the most part, I did a video on already. So if you'd like to see how I did this, minus some of the eye makeup, go ahead and check that video out. If I have it up already, sorry, I got tongue-tied, I'll link it in the description box below. But then let's talk about actual makeup here. For me, this makeup look right here that I have on, it's not a, hey, I got this in the bag, this is going to be awesome, this is, whatever. This is a, meh, I just wanted to throw a little something on. Sometimes a little bit of makeup can add confidence. So even if it is just a basic, quick, easy, go-to, one and done, you're out the door, more power to you. For me, I have certain things that I feel better about myself if I do. So that's what I'm sharing with you here. One is concealer. So that's tip number 2. Conceal. You could use concealer, you could even out your foundation with, or even out your skin tone rather with foundation. Some people have great skin and don't really need anything, but you might have that one little zit, that one area, and you want to control that. So you just take a concealer. I'm going to add a little bit more here under the eyes just to show you here. Not much, just a tiny, tiny bit. But you add a little bit of concealer. Blend it out real good. Don't blend it away, but blend it out. And that, for me, helps build my confidence. Just adding a little bit of concealer. Now, the other thing that I would recommend, if you haven't already done it, now me, I have on a natural type mascara right now, okay? Now, mascara, that's tip number 3. Some kind of mascara. Even if you don't want to put a face on of makeup, but mascara helps define the eyes and helps draw attention to the eyes a little bit. Just a little bit. Now, if you've got a bold eyeshadow look on, hey, that works too. But it helps define the eyes a little more. Now, some kind of mascara, like this is the, well, if I didn't realize I didn't have it open. But, this is one of them that I could use. It is the AOA Studio Skinny mascara. But since I don't have that open, I'll show you with another mascara here, if I can find it. Okay. This will work. This is AOA Studio Hyper Lash. Now this actually has fibers to it, so if you like and a little extra oomph to your eyes, that works. But I'm going to put on the Hyper Lash Pre-Lash, AOA Studio Pre-Lash, which is basically a primer. But you can tell, whenever I do that, that alone helps. Get a buildable mascara. Now that Rimmel Shake It Fresh, that's a decent mascara, don't get me wrong. But me, I like having the long lashes. So, I'm adding a little bit of mascara. I actually don't even need the other Hyper Lash thing, because this is actually doing a decent enough job for me. The pre-lash. But that right there helped open up my eyes a little further and just make me feel prettier. I mean, I see movies or whatever where the girls are trying to get the attention of somebody across the room. They're sitting there batting them long eyelashes. So, to me, that's a big thing. Do your lashes. Curl them, put mascara on, you're good to go. So that was tip number 3, I believe. But tip number 4 is going to be get a good bold lipstick. Now, if you're not used to wearing lipstick and you want to go more gloss, that's fine too. But for me, like right now, I have on the e.l.f. Plumping Gloss that I put on earlier. But this right here is Maybelline Color Sensational in Fiery Fuchsia. Right there. I'm going to show you how that brightens up the face and just helps make me a little more vibrant. Sorry, it's hard to talk and do this. But, okay. I didn't even blot the other off, but I would recommend normally if you have a balm or something on, blot it off. But here's the kicker. If you do something bold like this, make sure that you don't get it on your teeth. But one way to do that, and I've done this in other videos before, and some people think this is gross, nasty, horrible, whatever, but to each their own. I take my pointer finger and put it right between my lips and do a pucker, like I'm going to, almost like you're puckering up to kiss somebody, but instead you're puckering your lips around your finger. Like so. See, there was nothing on my finger there. But, if there were, that would have been what went on my teeth later on. And that's the continent killer for me, is lipstick on the teeth. I mean, that's a secret I've heard that even models use, is the puckering and then putting your finger between your lips and pulling it out. So, but you can tell that brightens up the look as well. And to wear a bold color like this right here, it was, again, it's Maybelline Color Sensational Bolds in Fiery Fuchsia. You have to own it. You can't wear something like this and then kind of slink back against the wall and just kind of be a wallflower. You gotta own it. And I guess that could be tip number 5. Own whatever you do. Say you went all out and you've got graphic liner and you've got contour and all that. That is the most important tip of all. If you don't take anything away from this video, take that away. Own it. Because no matter what, you are beautiful. You look good. Whether you're barefaced, wearing something you like, clothing-wise, or whether you're glammed up. You got glam to the hills. You know, you are beautiful just the way you are. And don't let anyone make you feel like you're not. So, and if you want to hear more tips like this, let me know in the comments down below what you would like a tip on. Or what you would like so many tips on, or whatever. Because I want to give you the information that I can that helps you. So, where I thought about this idea from was there was a Bailey B video about glam, how to get glam fast or something like that, and she did a few tips on how to get glamorous. That's what glam is, basically, in my opinion. So, that inspired this idea, and I'll try to link her video down below for you. But, so let me know what you would like a tip for. And also, hit that subscribe button so that you see my videos coming up. Because I do have other videos planned. I've already filmed a few today. So, I hope to see you. And you can also follow me on all my social media. I'll have all that linked right down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.